Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald, and in today's ballet-inspired workout, we will be starting in a seated position with our feet in front of us. Let's flex our feet up. We're going to rotate the legs into a pizza shape, otherwise known as first position. Point through the toes, bring them back to being parallel, and flex. Let's do that 3 more times. Turn out the legs. Point through the feet, articulating through the feet as we point them and flex. Turn them out, and point. We go parallel and flex and turn them out and point, parallel and flex. Let's reverse. Point through the feet, turn out the legs, flex the feet, parallel. Again, point through the feet, we turn them out, flex through the legs and feet and bring them up. 2 more times. Point through the feet, turn them out, flex them out and up. Last time, point through the feet, rotate and flex, parallel. Point through the feet, reach up nice and tall, lengthen spine, and reach forward to stretch out the backs of your legs. Rolling up through the spine, we do that all again. Bring the hands back onto the shoulders, nice straight spine, flex through the feet, turn them out. Point through the feet, parallel, and flex. Again, turn them out, rotate, point, and parallel, and flex. Make sure you're not wiggling your hips to turn out your legs, and really make sure that you're turning out from the hips rather from just the feet. Beautiful. We're going to reverse. Let's point through the feet, turn them out, flex the feet, and parallel. Again, point through the ankles and feet, turn them out, and flex, parallel. 2 more times. Point through the feet, turn them out, and flex, parallel. Last time, point through, turn them out, and flex, parallel. Point through the feet, reach up and over, and stretch forward. Beautiful. Go all the way down onto your back. We start with some pelvic lifts to keep warming up the back of our legs. Planting your feet flat on the floor, let's lift the pelvis up. Exhale, we go down. Beautiful. Let's do that again. We press up, and we go down. Great. Keep going. Keep those feet planted flat on the floor, lifting up and lower, and again lift up and lift the heels this time. Keep the glutes squeezed, lift the hips, and we open up the arms for 4. Bring them back to first. Open them up again. Bring them back to first. Let's do that 2 more times. Open them out and bring them back to first. Last time, bring them out, back to first. Beautiful. Keep the heels lifted, lower the hips, and we lift the hips up and down. Let's lower. And again, lift the hips. Keep the heels lifted and lower. Again, lift the hips, keep the heels lifted and lower. Last time, keep those heels nice and lifted. Take the arms off the floor if you'd like a challenge, and 16 pulses. Keep lifting your hips up and up and up and up. Keep going. And relax. Let's move on to our core. Keep our back nice and flat on the floor. Lift your knees to hover above your hips and flex through your right foot. Lower the leg, bring it back up. Do the same on the left. Flex through the left, lower and hover the leg off the floor, bring it back up. Let's do that again. Option to take your hands behind your head and lift your head and your neck. Keep going. Great. Lower the head and the neck. Option to place your hands underneath your seat here or keep them on your hips. And we lower our toes down to the floor. Keep your back nice and flat and lift. We do 8 toe taps. Let's go for 7. Keep your belly button to spine connection. So we're really firing up that core. Beautiful. We do 5 more. Beautiful. Last one. Extend the legs up above you. Rotate the legs like we did in the beginning. Point through the feet and crisscross your legs in front of one another, lowering your legs as low as you can, keeping your back nice and flat. And lift the legs. We do that 3 more times, so 4 times in total. We lower the legs, keep beating your legs, cross, 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 and up. 2 more times, lower, crisscrossing, and up. Last time, lower, crisscrossing. You've got this. and up. Beautiful. Relax and let's roll up. Swing your legs behind you, hands flat on the floor. Tuck your toes under, lift your hips into a downward facing dog. Take a moment here to just do what feels good, whether that's lifting your heels up and down and pedaling out your feet, or if that's bending one knee at a time, just do what feels good for a second here. Amazing. Shift forward to a high plank. And we're going to stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Untuck the toes, gently place the knees down, facing the floor. Maintain your belly button to spine connection. Bend your knees and turn them in. On the next exhale, rotate your legs and try to hover your thighs off the floor and your knees off the floor, heels together. Lift your upper back by pushing into your hands and draw little circles with your heels. We're going to do 16. So we're really activating our deep external rotators and helping improve our turnout by doing this exercise. Extend your legs underneath you, rotate them, and we're going to do 16 beats in and out. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Go all the way down into your belly once again, and we repeat that sequence from the beginning. Bend the knees, turn them in, flex through the feet, rotate the legs, try to get your thighs to hover. We do 16 circles. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend the legs underneath you, and we do 16 beats in and out. Let's go. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Go all the way down into your belly once again. Place your hands flat on the floor. Lift your chest and your belly off the floor into a cobra stretch and lower down. Let's do that 2 more times. Press into the floor to arch your back and stretch and lower down. Last time, press into the floor. Lift as high as you can and lower down. Let's press back into a child's pose to relax our lower back. Shift forward, tuck the toes under, lift the hips up into your downward facing dog. On the next inhale, we're going to lift our right leg up towards the sky in a 3-legged dog or needle. And then on the next exhale, bring the knee in and find a pigeon with your right leg forward. Feel free to fold forward here if that feels good. Flip to the side so you're facing the other way from me, but let's reach our right hand up and over into a little side stretch and a half straddle, half butterfly. Beautiful. Tuck that left toe under, lift the right leg back up towards that needle and lower it down. Let's lift the left leg this time. Inhale, exhale, thread it through, find your pigeon here. Option to stay in your proud pigeon or fold forward, whatever feels good. Let's find that little side stretch and a half straddle, half butterfly. Lift the left hand up and over, and then bring the hands flat on the floor. Tuck the right toes under, send that left leg back up towards the sky. Place both feet flat on the floor in your down dog, and then make your way to a comfortable seated position. Let's bring our legs in front of us, soles of the feet together for our last stretch for the day. Finding your butterfly, bring your nose past your toes as you exhale. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope this video helped, whether you used it to warm up before a ballet class or to cool down after class. Let me know how you used it and if you liked it. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.